vibration not working on Samsung Android phone fix. So if the vibration, or better also known as haptics, is not working properly on your Samsung Android phone, first of all, it could also be because your phone has been set to mute. But most of the times this is not the cause, because this will only mute it for the ringtone and other stuff. But at least you want to make sure that it is in the sound, not the vibrate or not even the mute, but in the sound tab, right? Now once you've done that, open up your settings, then simply go to sounds and vibrations option, as you can find here. Then when you go to sound and vibration, here you can see vibrate while ringing. So if you're not being able to get a vibration while ringing, you can simply turn on vibrate while ringing option over here. Then here you can see ringtone, notification sound, system sound, volume, and for what kind of vibration you want, right? So if it's not vibrating, first go to system vibration here. Once you go to system vibration, you want to turn on, and you can turn and to the maximum of the system vibration intensity as well. You can come back and go to vibration intensity, and for notifications, how much vibration intensity you want, that also you can customize. Vibration sound for incoming calls, you can simply go ahead and then turn this on. Vibration sound will be able to actually vibrate whenever you're connecting, and once done, vibration should be able to work whenever you're actually using it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.